Our Agric 130 students got an opportunity to witness firsthand precision agriculture in its finest. Students got to drive automated combine and tractors that had auto steer. They got to see what is actually taking place today with the precision ag technologies, how it's incorporated into the equipment. Today, in talking with the students, one of the biggest things that they took out of this was they couldn't believe the amount of technology that was in these pieces of equipment and the cost. You know, some of these pieces are half to $750,000 for one piece of equipment. So it's a great opportunity for the kids to see firsthand what is happening in agriculture when it comes to technology.
It was also pretty much scary for me, and I would say, yeah, it was a first experience that I could ever have in my life. Yeah, thank you.
It was a little scary, but it's the biggest piece of machinery I've ever been on. It was really impressive. You could just press a button and it just goes in a straight line.
It's so crazy to look in these newer tractors and see all the different things that they're able to do that will save the farmer time and money. And I was not aware on how expensive they were, but learning about the technology and how they work, I can definitely see how they would be useful to a farmer in the industry.